What's going on? Burblife back with another video. Work on the 01 truck again. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna rebuild this fuel filter housing right here. So I'm just gonna get right into this video because I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this piping, this piping. This ain't really necessary per se, but I'm gonna look at all the fuel lines that are under there. But I need to take this off so I can get to this a little easier. And then yeah, I'll get back to you after I take those out of the way and we can see that better. All right, I got a little ahead from what I said, but I already got this hanging here. I got these hose clamps off. I'm gonna replace both these hoses because let me see if I can shine it. They look pretty rough, and that has a crack right there in it. So I don't know if there's air getting by that or not when it sits. But what I did is I just took the fuel. I took this panel off too after I took those pipes off. I took the two bolts out behind here. I had kind of pushed the wires out of the way to get to it. Undid a couple things. Undid the bolts. Now it's just hanging here. I'm trying to get that unplugged right now. It's being a little difficult because it's full of corrosion. So I'll get back to you after I take this all the way out. I'm gonna unplug that. I already unplugged the sensor on the fuel filter. These will just slide right off now because I already broke them loose. But I'm gonna take this off and then maybe I'll have these hoses off. I don't know. But we'll see where I get back after in a second. All right, starting into the parts real quick. I got new hose. There's the one. I already put the thing on here. I don't remember if I filmed getting this off or not, but it's just a screw, whatever you want to call it right here. So, no, it doesn't want to focus on it, but yeah, there's the hose. And then now, I'm gonna take this apart. See if I'm good. I'm just gonna pretty much take a bunch of screws out. There's the three right here. Man, why is it so blurry? There we go. Take those three out. I'm gonna clean it up while it's part two. Take those out. Got a bunch of stuff right here for it. So I'll see what I get. I'll see what I film when I'm taking this apart. Catch you guys back in a minute. All right. I took it all apart. I already put the new one of these in. It came with like an aluminum one. The old one's right there. It was all chewed up. See if I can get this right. So I put that in there. I gotta see where. I think there might be an O-ring in there. Yeah, I think there's an O-ring right in there. There's an O-ring right here. There's an O-ring on that right there. There's two. And I don't think there's any on there, but I gotta look. And then when you take it apart, make sure those springs don't make it explode out of there. But yeah, if you're doing it, just kind of look at stuff. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back together now, and then I'll get with you guys after I go to the truck. All right, I got it back in the truck now. I had to re-put all this back up here. But now I'm gonna put the fuel filter on. I'm gonna loosen that screw. I'm just gonna prime it. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Then I'll get back with you. Oh, I gotta put this piping on real quick. I'll put that on, and then I'll put the fuel filter on, which is right there. Now I also did the, on this, I did the delete thing, because right here, on the bottom, it started breaking. So the kit came with this delete. I'm just gonna put that on, or I'll put that on. I'll put it on, put the pipes, and then I'll prime it, start it, and then I'll get back to you guys after. I'm doing the first fill up with me owning it now. I got it all done. It's running out, as you can tell, but yeah. I'll catch you guys in the morning. I don't know where I left off, but I think it was a fuel filter housing I was doing. I got a lot going on right now, but right now, all I'm going to do back here on the turbo, there's this piece right now. I don't know what they did right here, like, but on the turbo on the back, there's a little thing from PPE. It somehow makes it make more boost. So I'm gonna put that on here real quick. And then I got the whole thing detailed. Well, sort of detailed. Let's see if I can get a good video picture. Let's see. It's a little faded and stuff, but the inside, I mean, it's old, but it actually cleaned up pretty good. That's just from me getting in and out of it from driving it every day. But the camera kind of makes it look worse, but no, it's all clean now. Back here, I kind of cleaned it up a little bit. That's back here because I brought it to my buddy's house. But right there, that blue thing on the turbo, right there, somehow that makes more boost. So I'm gonna take that off there, put it on the other turbo. And then that's an aftermarket downpipe. I'm not putting that on. I'm just gonna try to sell the truck because I didn't take that out. That's supposed to go with that motor that used to be back here. But the rest of the stuff I'm throwing away. Like, that thing's got a hole in it. So yeah, I'm gonna take that off, which this will be real quick. Just undo those hose clamps. Let's see. Undo those hose clamps right there, slide it out, go get the thing off the other turbo, put it back on. Pretty easy. I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I don't know where it's gonna leave off after that. So let's see. All right, I switched it out now. I don't have my flashlight with me, it's over there. Oh, it's on the counter. Put it on. I won't find out till tomorrow how it does. All right. I pretty much just leave this thing in tune 1 because I don't know how much power it makes, but yeah. All right. This has been like a couple weeks later since I filmed previous stuff, but truck's right there. It's a ripper now, but I just realized after putting all these video clips together, because I haven't done an outro yet, but I put it all together to see where I was at. I just did the last thing I did was the turbo valve thing, whatever you want to call it. But when I was doing the whole filming, I realized the camera was all blurry and stuff, so I had to take the lens protector thing off. But yeah, that's gonna do it for that video. I got some more that I'm still editing. It's a lot of work to edit, but like, subscribe, share, do all that. More stuff to come.